14 days we got to know from start to end itself, and this happens immediately. Like first we got shortlisted for screening round, like ma'am, GD group discussion itself. Nextly we got for the 3 test links. We had 3 test rounds, which we cracked, ma'am, because of the mock interview, and which mostly, ma'am, because of the study material which was provided. Because, ma'am, the study material was very crisp and very, ma'am, specific to what those rounds were aiming for, or the rounds those were focusing for. So that through that we got the practice to crack those rounds.
So as you know, Madhushree, the purpose of today's call is to kind of know your story, right? What were the struggles that you had? If there is anyone out there who can resonate with your story, they should know that what needs to be done next, right? So before we get started with the other part, just tell us a little about you, Madhushree, and your struggle that you've had so far with respect to your career journey.
Like, ma'am, I'm an electronics engineer. Like, I graduated in 22, and I'm currently working as a trainer at Tata Motors in Pune passenger vehicle plant. And I was recently shortlisted. I was recently selected for investigation specialist role in Amazon through help of AccuJob, ma'am. Like, before I had applied for many applications. Like, I had done all the research, but still, even before getting shortlisted at resume level itself, it was very difficult. But, ma'am, through AccuJob, I got selected, and now hopefully I will be getting the offer letter soon. Like, ma'am, I have been shortlisted, obviously, but the offer letter is yet to come. But the remaining things all is completed.
Okay. And as you mentioned that you have applied in the past, right, where things used to get stuck in the resume level itself. I want to talk more about that, where your previous experience applying in companies like Amazon versus the experience that you've had while, being in Amazon's process, but through AccuJob. What was the difference in these two journeys?
So, ma'am, like, without AccuJob, like in my previous experience, the first thing is, ma'am, the companies don't focus on the candidates. They don't know the candidates. They can't go through each candidate face to face or via interview. They will first reject at resume level itself. Secondly, ma'am, even if our resume gets selected, like, then they will have 3 to 4 rounds, like online rounds, whether interview or test level or test round or written exams, anything. In that, we don't have any idea before the test, or we don't have the guidance like what the test will be. So, ma'am, there the preparation will be lacking. And then that will happen even if we get shortlisted in the test, ma'am. Finally, mostly the candidates get rejected in HR round, because they don't know what the HR will be asking, like what to prepare and which area mostly to focus on. But, ma'am, through AccuJob, it was totally, like, drastically, it was helpful, and it was so good. Like, from starting from the ma'am, for Amazon level itself, we had 2 exams for 2 test links for AccuJob. Like, for one was through our laptop itself, one was online, but second round was, ma'am, offline in the Pune center. I gave it Baner in Pune. The area is Baner. There, the second round was completed mine. Then, ma'am, after those who had completed in Baner, or those who got selected in Baner, we were shortlisted, and we got guidance from you itself. Like, we got the guidance not just like via interviews or anything. We got the study material. We got to know where to focus on. And, ma'am, when we did all the research, and when we cracked the exam or the test, like online test, we got a mock interview, ma'am. Mostly the mock interview helped a lot to, like, what to focus on and what to prepare for. Like, in HR interviews and companies like Amazon, they ask real-time questions, ma'am, like related to whichever role we are applying. So, ma'am, I was applying for investigation specialist. So they asked, like, if a person is doing this kind of fraud, or if the buyer is doing this kind of fraud. Like, ma'am, if we didn't know prior, like, or if we didn't had any idea what to answer, maybe we would not have cracked this role. But ma'am, since we got to know the HR interview and during the mock interview and through study material that this might be the scenario, this they will ask, we were prepared and somehow, ma'am, we cracked it.
Okay, so out of curiosity, Madhushree, let's say for example, this assistance was not provided and you had applied for the same role, do you think you would have cracked it?
No, I mean, it was like I still can't believe it that this happened so fast and this happened in such a easy manner. Like even still, my parents are thinking like this might be something is missing or it's like magical for me. I don't think that it would have happened so easily and so smoothly. Mainly like it would have happened externally. It could have happened, ma'am, but the journey was very smooth. And this happened through only AquaJob, ma'am.
Awesome. And when you say the journey was smooth, what exactly do you mean by this? You said it was very fast also. So I also want to understand with respect to the timelines because as per the market, Amazon takes 30 to 90 days at least to give an update. How
Yes,
is it in your case?
and it was like really fast, like in 14 days. Firstly, ma'am, like 14 days we got to know from start to end itself, and this happens immediately. Like first we got shortlisted for screening round, like ma'am, GD group discussion itself. Nextly we got for the 3 test links. We had 3 test rounds, which we cracked, ma'am, because of the mock interview and which mostly, ma'am, because of the study material which was provided. Because, ma'am, the study material was very crisp and very, ma'am, specific to what those rounds were aiming for, or the rounds those were focusing for. So that through that we got the practice to crack those rounds. And lastly, ma'am, most important, like the HR round, which was having real-time scenarios or questions, which we got to know to how to answer, how to face them, how to think. Even those questions was if they weren't exactly what in the mock interviews, but ma'am, through mock interview, we got to know that we can aim for this angle, or we can go for this angle for the answering in HR round.
Okay, great to know. You also mentioned that your parents were not able to believe.
Still
Like,
not.
this is something. So I want to understand when you told your parents कि Amazon में job लग गई है, what was their reaction?
Like ma'am, yesterday itself, I have been shortlisted, so we have some background verification going on right now through Amazon, and I got mail that my laptop is on the way, and those components are on dispatch. So I told my parents. Currently, they are in the town, and I'm in city. So yesterday I told my mother that this mail I have received, and I sent her the screenshot. Then she was like, "Oh, then this is real. This is real. This might be real." Because till now, ma'am, we are all in like some. How come this fast, this easily, and this magic happened? Like the struggle we have known, and like my parents have been through the struggle with me, so they are still not believing like something might have happened or something like this happened so fast, so smooth. It is still unbelievable, ma'am.
So you mentioned about struggle, right? That your parents were like, okay, this time it is real because the struggle that they have had in the past, that was something that was making them think, okay, this might not be real. What was this struggle that you're talking about?
Like ma'am, I graduated in 22, and I'm currently, it's been like 20, the year is 25. Like for 3 years I have been struggling to get a job, to get a proper job, ma'am. So they have seen me applying for many offers. They have seen me going for interviews, ma'am, and ma'am, they know my efforts. But those efforts, when they do not turn into results, it is at a phase, ma'am. So when this got selected and this I got the email shortlisting and everything happened, then they got to know that okay, this is something which has turned into any result, and now we can be little bit better, or we can feel better.
Okay. And what do you think, Madhushree, how has AquaJob played a role over here? Like, what right have we done to make sure that your dream has come true?
Ma'am, a big role, like big role. First role would be, ma'am, the most important role is, there are many vacancies in the companies. Like in newspaper or ma'am in news articles we read that the companies have vacancies but they don't have skilled candidates. Ma'am, till now I did not understand this. Like, how come we are applying? Like in LinkedIn also, ma'am, if there is one position and the vacancy is 50 people, 50 to 500 people are applying, and how come those vacancies aren't getting filled up? So then first thing AquaJob did here was, I did not even know didn't know that there was a role named as RCO or investigation specialist. Like the candidate got to know, or ma'am, mostly like the candidates got to know there are some roles which you can apply for. First thing was, ma'am, that awareness we lack, like because these roles are not highlighted, ma'am. Mostly like it's not open in market, or mostly we can say that it's not easily available to apply for them, or we don't know the. So ma'am, that awareness I got to know through AquaJob. Second, next after the awareness, the preparation, like the even if I know, like if I get to know, if I can't prepare, there is no use of that information, ma'am. So but through study material, I got to know this is the vacancy which we are being expected from, like which we are putting up for applications or that type, ma'am. So through study material, we got to know in which direction we have to apply, in which direction we have to prepare, and which skills we have to prepare for or put up for to get selected in this area. So secondly was, ma'am, like study material. Thirdly, ma'am, interview, like as I said, these companies always ask like real-time scenarios, like if this happens, what this person will say. So if we are getting to know how to answer those questions, or mostly, ma'am, not to just answer, like what to do in these scenarios, we got to know through mock interviews. And ma'am, like mostly is main the what we can say, like the highlight of this process was, ma'am, we getting like the Amazon company getting to know us, like these candidates exist. Like I don't think our resume would have gotten into a screening round or initial process, like if we hadn't put up for AquaJob, ma'am.
I think that's very great. I mean, I'm happy that we were able to help in any way possible. Just like you, Madhushree, there are many other people, right, who are trying to find a job, but then they have this resistance that, I don't want to go and apply in, companies or upskilling companies like AquaJob. Maybe there might be some trust issues. There might be some questions that is this really going to help us or not. What is your message to those people who are in the job hunt process? They want the right bridge who can give them that opportunity. What is your word to those people?
Yes, ma'am. Like as I said, till now my mother is like yesterday she got to know that this is real. Obviously, ma'am, people will have doubts. Like whoever is applying, they will have some drawbacks, or they will have some doubts. Why to put up, or is this even real? So, ma'am, I would like to say, like for them, I would like to say that if you have tried all the areas, then why not try this also? And this will work, ma'am. Like I was also I still can't believe, literally, like I still can't believe, ma'am, this all happened, and this all happened so easy and so fast. It's still unbelievable, like very magical. But I would say everyone that AquaJob is literally providing study material from like start to end, not just study material itself, like from resume, shortlisting, the guidance to end result they are helping. So try for this, and they will have doubts, but ma'am, I think they should give it a try, and they will get to know that it works, ma'am.
Awesome. We hope we get more Madhushrees like you, and we create magical dreams into reality for them.
Ma'am, we actually, ma'am, we need more Lalita, like to get people to believe it.
Definitely, let's hope so. That's a dream, right, that we want to build. So let's work on it accordingly. By dream, I get to know, like by dream, there's another question that I want to ask. What is that one favorite moment of yours throughout this journey? You said that 14 days was the journey, right? Throughout these 14 days journey, any favorite moment that you had in this process?
Like, ma'am, favorite moment would be like Obviously, like ma'am, mock interview was my favorite interview. Like mock interview was because ma'am, through the WhatsApp message, you said that almost who are getting HR rounds are almost selected. So that was the moment that I got to know that okay, somewhat we have reached, only one more level to go. So that was the like my favorite moment.
Great to know. Okay, one interesting question. In fact, two of them. Now that you've told so much about AccioJob, your journey, everything, we've got to know more about you. If I had to ask you, Madhushri, that one word that you would want to define AccioJob as, what would be that word for you?
Ma'am, literally unbelievable. Like still, that's the favorite like word or ma'am journey or anything we can say. Like because it's highly unbelievable. And the thing is, like ma'am, my friend had also applied, but something happened, and there is something like she has problem at her home, but she could not complete the test rounds. But she is also saying that how come this happened? Like still, only the word which is possible to say is unbelievable, ma'am.
Another similar question on this line, because a lot of people are into texting, emojis is very much into the market, right? If I had to ask you that, Madhushri, what is the emoji that you would want to give to AccioJob? What would be an emoji?
I'm like in WhatsApp, if I use WhatsApp, like if I have to tell in that, ma'am, there is like sparkling emojis, like 3 yellow color sparkling lights. That's the emoji I would say.
That's very creative one, Madhushri. I think that is all, Madhushri. Really wanted to have a quick chat with you, understand how your process has been. I personally feel very, very happy that, I've seen you go through this struggle. I have to meet everyone personally, and I'm very happy that finally you guys are getting the offer. Any final words that you have for me, for AccioJob, or for students out there?
Ma'am, most like the main thing is thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Literally, like the guidance, not just the support, ma'am. You replied very promptly, whether it is 11 a.m. or 11 p.m. The way, ma'am, you replied and the support we used to feel, or even, ma'am, like at 11 p.m. we used to feel like we got hope. Like okay, if ma'am is replying, something will happen. She will handle it. We will wait till she replies or till she says something. We will wait. That support, ma'am, was given by you. Like thank you so much for that.
My pleasure, Madhushri. My pleasure. As I said, very happy for your success. At the end of the day, the success is what matters, right? So very happy that hard work was brought into success. Keep in touch, Madhushri. As I said, you get the foundation, right? So really looking forward to building this dream together. And yes, if there's anything else, feel free to always reach out to us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.